I've been sharing a workshop with my dad at his place for a while now, and it's kind of gotten a little bit too small for the both of us, so we're working on an addition. The first step was to fill in the muddy ditch that was behind his shop. It took lots of loads of fill, but we eventually got it done. Dad did most of this work while I was working on other stuff like firewood and some of my own projects. Dad got to put some hours in on this old John Deere 350. After he spread out the load of gravel with the crawler, he'd used a mini loader with a load of gravel in the front to compact it all down. After we got the fill most of the way done, we had to tear off the shed in back of the shop. He built it several years ago, and it was starting to fall down the bank a little bit, and it just needed to be redone. It wasn't insulated very well because mice had got into it and whatever else. So the plan was to tear that off and build a bigger addition on the back. Since we had an excavator, we used it to deconstruct the roof of the shed. It worked great, way faster than a sawzall.
might throw something at you. I don't know. It's got a lot of tension there.
After we got the shed torn off and finished the grading, we had the concrete slab poured. Doing the slab was one of the few things that we hired out. We even cut our own lumber for most of this project.
Thanks for going. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
My son got to help install the sill boards. Got to use a
Now
ratchet.
you can spin it all the way around like you were doing before. When it gets really easy, you can just spin it all the way around. Also, and if you want to go back and forth, you put your other hand here. Now go back and forth.
Could you take a video of you building the walls?
Yeah, we might.
You should, because you need to. You know what? I was hoping that we should build a haunted house. Right, yeah.
So this is just the first video of
keep
several
pedaling.
about this shop edition build. We've got a lot more to do. We've got a lot more progress done than what this video is, but it's hard to film and build at the same time.